Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate. And the topic of the debate, I am going to tell these students on the spot. I am telling, and topic I will tell you first. I would like to tell you that this team sitting on my right is from 2 o'clock batch, and the team which is sitting on my right, on my left, is from 9 o'clock batch. And the topic on which they have to do debate is actually they don't know the topic on the spot I am giving. And topic is topic is topic is government job versus private job. And this team which is sitting on my right will speak in the favor of government job, and team which is sitting on my left will speak in the favor of private job.
I am Sophia Malik. Today, I'm delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you and share my views on the topic. The topic is private job versus government job. Which is better? Well, I personally believe that government job is far better than the private job. Nowadays, people are running after the government job. Why they are running after the government job? Because you know that in government job, if you have a high post, so you will get respect, which you cannot get in the private job. If you are an army officer, so you know that you will get more respect from your society, from your neighbors, from your parents, which you cannot get in the private job. I have seen this thing. Now you may speak.
Okay, now may I start? Everyone, please pay attention here. Now I'm going to start. Well, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today I am Rayyan and I am going to speak about the jobs, that which job is better, government or private. Well, really, my heart says that private jobs are far better than government jobs. First of all, let me clear their misconception. They are saying that in private job there is no any kind of value, there is no any kind of respect, people do not get respect. No, that's not like that. That's our mentality. That's our friend circle who say that there is no respect in private job. There is respect, sister. I can make you count so many jobs, but you should have skill. You should deserve that, like data scientist, software engineer, doctors, MBBS, cardiologist. There are a lot of jobs in which we have respect. IS, IPS. There are a lot of jobs in which we have respect, the
So
value.
I have
Even
told
listen,
you.
listen. Let me clear. It's my turn to speak. And they are saying that there is no any kind of respect. And some people are mentioning about the salary, that we do not have the handsome salary in private job. Sister, really, you didn't see the world. You didn't see the any kind of thing. In private jobs, there are a lot of people who earn the crore of rupees per month, like IIT, and who pass. They are, sent out of the India, like America, England, and their package per year 4 crore, 5 crore. And data scientist, he earns 60 lakh per month. So you are saying that there is no salary? Even a person who works hard, who gets more experience, who is a dexter person, who has dexterity, he even gets the facilities from the companies. Okay, he is given stock shares, at free. He is given stock shares at free of cost. Nothing is there. There are so many things in which we, the private jobs are better, and you are saying that private jobs are not.
Firstly, you clear your misconception. I have told you that in government job we get respect and in private job we do not get. And you are saying that MBBS, UPSC, IPS. So
Sorry,
these
UP.
are the government jobs which you are telling to me. And
Sir,
you know,
listen, UPSC is government job, but
Of course.
MBBS is private job.
no, MBBS is a government
MBBS is
job.
private also. Listen.
It's
Suppose,
private also.
listen. Let me kill. Suppose if I want to, start my own clinic on hospital, so I can start like you can. Current example, Al Hind Hospital. Dr. Anwar is MBBS cardiologist on hospital. Private. I mean, he does private job also there. Private, a lot of jobs are there. So why are you saying that we cannot become MBBS private? We can become.
And you know that in a government job there is stability, and in private job there is no stability. At any time they can expel you. That if you are not doing good work, so they can expel you. And if you are coming late, like it could be anything, but they can expel you because there is no stability. But in government job, there is stability that at least around 50 years you can work in that company. Okay, you can work in that office. And you know that Ayan brother, he was mentioning that the big owners, they have the mentality that they can do anything at any time. But you know that other authorities are also there who tell them and who teaches them that this work you have to done within a month. So like that the work happens in the government job. And in private job you can see that teachers are coming, okay, and they are teaching us, but you know that they are also in the process of getting education. They cannot teach us betterly. But in government job we have experienced teachers who can teach us better.
She mentioned about the time, miss timing system management. She told sister, let me clear that if most of the government you know who people who do government job, what do they do? That now we have government job, no one sees us and we can go late also. That also, no sister, it is not like that. If you do mistake, so in government sector, if any action is taken, so that is taken strictly. Okay, don't forget that if I become the government teacher or government anything, so I will have the facilities, I won't go late, I will do anything. No sister, actions are taken there. So don't say like this that complete.